It's closed. I mean, it's off. I'm supposed to hit it. Stop it, Alex! You crazy?
Give me a pencil I can sharpen.
No.
I want to sharpen the pencil.
Question.
It's a crayon pencil.
No, it's not.
Yeah, look, it's yellow.
Yeah, because there's probably crayon on the bottom of the cup. Gabe.
Oh my god, this pencil's not sharpened. Ow. Now I'm going to pencil in my appointments. I'm going to be seeing you on the... When do we get back from the cruise?
The Friday the 13th.
Oh god. I can't wait for the cruise. Is it on?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm sorry. We didn't give you a proper introduction. Hi, this is Spastastiful. Woo!
Hey, what's her...
Spast...
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We are now making a calendar. Want to see it? All right. This is next month. This is August. Look. Shopping for Alex's B-Day gift, because there's Alex's birthday, and there's Matt's birthday. Put you in there, Matt. Right there. Okay. Then, Alexx gets her permit right here. See that? Yes. And then we have our cruise on the 9th. Woot woot! Going to Mexico. Mexico.
You have horrible handwriting.
Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Hey, are we going to Mexico first or Grand Cayman?
I don't know. Now, and then the 13th we get back from the cruise. And then over here,
I think we start on the 24th or the 26th. No, we start on the 23rd.
to that.
It has to be a Monday. You remember when it used to start, school used to start on like Tuesdays and stuff?
Yeah. Back to school. Yay. Alright, now. I'm done with that. This is Gabby's freaking version of a calendar. Hearts everywhere.
I put down hearts after every day.
Katie's B-Day.
Wait, hold on. I need to make a heart.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Because the day is already gone.
Alright, whatever.
Okay, what day is today?
26, because Katie's birthday. Actually, no, it's 25th,
It's
actually.
25th. Yeah, because we called her at midnight.
What's 10 for?
What? It's my volunteer hours. Because I stayed from 10 until 4, and some days I stayed from 10 till 5.
Okay. Well, we're going on a cruise, and I'm so excited. Woo!
We should have like a fashion show of what we're going to wear to the cruise.
That's true. We'll do that. Let's pencil us in. Let's see. Now, when can we see each other? Fucking brother. Is he correct? Oh wait, that's the reason. Wow, look at this heart. What a fail heart.
Give me.
Can I draw a heart?
No, I want to draw her.
No.
Ow!
Move.
Better?
Oh no, it's not focused.
Broke it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. It's not focused. Aw, now it's all...
broke it.
It's not broken.
Yes.
It's just not focused.
Yeah, how do you focus it? Wait, hold on. I don't think it's broken.
Alright, whatever. I'm gonna draw a heart anyway since it's fuzzy. Where can I draw a heart? Right here.
It's horrible. You broke my camera. Matthew. Wait, your phone shut off.
Alright, I'm sorry. We're gonna go. Oh, look! It's us.
Unfocused. Oh, my eye is hurting.
Alright, bye.
What's in my eye?